Here's Zepp app, health and fitness app, official app for Amazfit. The app is free to use and trusted by top athletes such as running back Derrick Henry and sprinter Gabby Thomas. Built for sports and performance, it's where you will track your training, health and recovery data, log your nutrition, and get easy to understand scores with AI-powered coaching and guidance. All protected with the highest level of data security. Track macros, health and fitness data, sleep monitoring, hard health, customize your watch data, security, free to use. So then yeah, you can just tap get and double click to install. And you can just open it up. You can just sign up in here and yeah, start the process.